Hello everyone. So these are the DyeBold specialty dyes. They come in dry concentrate form. They are highly concentrated, and I wanted to show you guys how to make a dye solution. So the dye kit comes with a micro spoon, and here we have the blue dye, and we've heated up the water. As you can see, the dyes are already dissolving on their own, and so we're gonna go ahead and do the same for the red. And we just take the small side of the micro spoon, and we just take a measurement with the micro spoon and simply add it to the water. As you can see, it's very easy. The dyes are already dissolving, and again, all that's in this hot pot is just water at this point. So we're going to do the same with the yellow dye. And these dyes, they were formulated for dyeing nylon, wool, and silk fibers. And so again, we just add the yellow dyes to the hot water. And I just want to show you guys how easy this is. If you can make your coffee every morning and you add your sugar to your coffee, this is as easy as what we're doing here. We're simply adding the dry concentrate to the hot water, right? And then the next step is simply to add this is 1/8 of a teaspoon of the pH reducer to the dye solution. And again, this readily dissolves as well, but I'm going to, as you can see, I'm just gently stirring, but the dyes are already completely dissolved. And I want to show you guys the process of restoring a bleach spot. And so the first step here is to neutralize the bleach spot, right? So we want to neutralize the chemical on the carpet. And I'm just going through the steps here so you guys can see that the DyeBold method of restoring bleach spots is very simple. It's very clear. Each step, you just follow the procedure. And so we're doing it step by step here. I want to show you guys. We're actually going to restore the small spot there in this gray carpet. It looks a little beige, but it's a little more to the gray hue. And so now we are adding the first color here. We're going to add enough until it turns to the next desired color. And I'm applying the dyes with a pipette, but these dyes can also be applied with a syringe or a spray bottle or even an airbrush. And in this case, the dyes are hot, but if you've seen any of the other videos, I've applied the dye actually at room temperature, and these dyes are color fast immediately. But if we do apply the dyes cold, I like to heat set them afterwards. So it depends on your preference. But in this case here, we are applying them hot. And once you apply, every time you apply the dyes, you want to extract the extra moisture. And I'm doing that here with a cloth, but you can also do it with a shop vac. No fancy equipment needed here. If the spot was larger, I would probably prefer to do it with a spray bottle. But it depends on your preference, of course. And so these dyes, the DyeBold dyes actually make the carpet dyeing process very simple, because we actually have true colors, meaning that the blue, the red, and the yellow are very evenly balanced, so that when I add the blue, it's not too strong. When I add the red, it's not too strong, and the same with the yellow. And of course, as part of our specialty dye line, we do have the black as well. And because these dyes do come in the dry concentrate form, they're highly economical due to their concentration, and so it's economical in use and also in freight costs, which our friends over in New Zealand and the UK and Australia are very excited about these. So there you have it.